My name is Alejandro Escobar Calderon. I'm a Solutions Marketing Manager at NI, and I'm here today showcasing our lab validation test setup for digital pre-distortion. So this particular setup is intended to be a validation bench for any user looking to validate the performance and characterize power amplifiers, RF power amplifiers. So our device under test here is a high power GaN PA. We have that connected to our PXI vector signal transceiver. This is generating our RF waveform. It is sending it through the DUT. We're taking a few RF power measurements through these power meters, and then we're acquiring that RF signal back in our VST. We're also providing digital DUT control as well as DUT power through our SMU and our DMM here. So this set of hardware pairs together with our application software. This is called the RFIC Test Soft Front Panel. This is intended to be an interactive place where users can quickly configure all their different instruments, all the instruments we talked about, including their VST, configure their waveform settings, as we can see here, DUT control if that's necessary, and also apply digital pre-distortion. So we have a bunch of different DPD models available: lookup table, memory polynomial, generalized memory polynomial, and all of these are in one place so that users can quickly visualize, compare, and contrast the effects of all these different DPD algorithms. So having all the configurations in one place, having all our panels here on the front, on the right-hand side showing our measurements, makes it easy to configure, measure, and then analyze those results. So that's one key. It's sort of an interactive, quick getting started application software for DPD implementations. The other half of this demonstration has to do with our what we call our PXI 5633 S-parameter add-on module. This is a module that pairs with the PXI 5842 vector signal transceiver in order to conduct S-parameter measurements alongside our modulated RF measurements. So to do that, we can switch over to our Instrument Studio soft front panel. This is where we're also controlling our SMU, digital multimeter, and our power supply as well. And if we move over to our VNA panel, we can see our S-parameter measurements alongside this. So we can move our switch over, and that click indicates that the switch had moved over to the VNA as opposed to the VST. We can run our measurements here. We'll just do a single pass, and we can see that update with our new S-parameter measurements for this particular DUT. So all is this to say, this front panel, this RFMX front panel in Instrument Studio, along with our RFIC test software, pairs together very well for quickly bringing up a device, configuring the device under test, measuring different RF parameters, and then analyzing those results.